So dear students, we are learning about the electricity and its effects. Okay, chapter 7. And today we are going to learn electrical symbols and connections. Okay, so already I told you, but again I'll repeat. Cell, symbol of cell is like this. This is positive and this is negative. Okay, this is the symbol for cell. And bulb, on and off I told, no? Bulb on, like this symbol. On symbol is like this, off symbol is like this, off. Okay, on, off. Understood? Next, fuse. Fuse symbol is like this, yes. Okay. Next, key or switch. Key or switch symbol is like this. This is off. Okay, and this is on. Connection is completed, circuit is completed. Okay, on, off. And next, battery. If more than one cell is there, it is called as battery. I told you already. Like this. If you are connecting 3 cells or 4 cells, like this connection should be made. But you should not draw a line between this positive and negative. Okay. Positive and negative lines. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Like this. This is the symbol for battery. Okay. So these are the symbols you need to learn, and they'll give in the examination also to draw the symbols. Simple circuit I already told you. Connected with the bulb. Connected with the bulb. One key is there, and one cell is there. And always current flows from positive to negative, remember. If you draw arrow marks in the wrong position, your total diagrams go wrong. You should not draw like this, in this manner. Okay? If you draw like this, no, your circuit diagram is wrong. And when connection is completed, you should draw bulb in the glowing position. Okay? Okay, if you draw in the off position also, might be there must be some problem because of not glowing of bulb. Okay. Now let's learn about the connections. How are connected? How bulbs are connected, or how batteries are or cells are connected. Okay. See, decoration bulbs are always 2 types of connections are there. They are called as a series connection and a parallel connection. Series connection and a parallel connection. Parallel. Okay. 2 types of connections are there. In series connection, bulbs are cells. Bulbs are cells. Suppose these are the bulbs. These are the bulbs. Okay. Understood? Here positive, here negative. Positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay? These are the bulbs. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Okay? Now in series, the bulbs. Okay, I'll draw cells also. Suppose 4 cells are connected like this. Okay, 4 cells are there. 4 bulbs are there. Positive, here negative. Positive, negative. Positive, negative. Like this. the cells have the connections. Okay. So in series connection, always the bulbs or cells are connected from positive to negative. From positive to negative means like this they are connected. Okay, like this they are connected. And again from positive to negative. Again from positive to negative. And again from positive. Here negative is left now. From negative it is taken and connected to the battery. Battery should be there, no electricity connection should be there, either to direct electricity or some battery. Power supply should be there, otherwise bulbs will not glow, isn't it? So here also from positive to negative, from positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative. Okay, and again one wire is taken from positive, here one wire is taken from negative and connected to the, these are already cells now, connected to the bulb. Connected to the bulb. Okay, like this connections are made. In the parallel connection, positive to positive, positive to positive, and negative to negative, negative to negative, like these connections are made. And from here, okay, connection is taken, one from positive, one from negative, one from negative, taken and connected to the battery. Okay, here positive to positive, negative to negative, like this, and bulb is connected. Okay, like these connections are made. Understood? So what is the difference between series connection and positive connection? Means first of all, in series connection, EMF means electromotive force. Electromotive force means the energy of the bulb, the intensity or power of the bulb we can say. Understood? Power of the bulb. Each has some power. If bigger cell, bigger power. Bigger bulb, bigger power, isn't it? So EMF, electromotive force of all the bulbs are used up in series connection. All the cells of the power is used up. Whereas in parallel connection, only one bulb or only one cell power is used up. That is the difference. Here all the bulbs or cells are used up. Here only one. Only one bulb or only one cell power is used up. Okay. All the bulbs will glow. If you connect, all the bulbs will glow. But, okay. So here, if you are connected, how many, okay, if you are connected to bright battery, okay, bright inverter, okay, all the bulbs give bright light, okay, it's okay. But the problem with the cells, if you connect a series in series, all the batteries in series, all the power we can use up. But if you connect the batteries in parallel connection, only one cell power only we can use. So how many, if you can connect also, we use up only one cell power. That is the difference. Understood? And one more difference is there. If any disconnection in the middle of the cells or middle of the bulbs, all other will put off. All bulbs glow off, all the cells stop working. All the cells stop working because circuit break in the middle. Suppose this bulb is fused, this cell is not working, suppose, by some problem, this is not working. So connection is broken. Here connection should pass like this, no? Connection is broken. Circuit is broken. Isn't it? Circuit is broken. Circuit is disconnected. So bulb will not glow. Even remaining 3 are good and well condition also. Bulb will not glow. Okay. Understood? Here suppose one bulb fused up. It's not working. Fused up. So connection has broken. Connection goes like this. From positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative. Like this connection will be there. But here connection break up. here it goes and it connected like this through the terminal. Filament is there now here. Through the filament, connection will pass from positive to negative. So if this filament only fused up, connection breaks. So all the remaining, this only fused up, but this also will not glow. All the remaining 3 bulbs also won't glow, won't give light. Okay, but it will not be like this in the parallel connection. If one is there also, it's see here from positive to positive, positive to positive, positive to positive. Even in the break also no problem. From here anyway connection is there. Connection is not going through the filament. Here connection is not passing through the filament. From positive to positive connection is there. Again from positive to positive connection is there. So that's why if one bulb fail also, suppose this bulb failed, remaining all the 3 bulbs glow. Remaining all the 3 bulbs continue to glow. Same with the cell also. Here see positive to positive connection is there. This is not working suppose. Even though here from here to connection is there and again wire here connected is there. No. Even if it is not working also, the bulb will glow. Here bulb glows. It won't put off. Whereas here puts off. Not glow. Okay. That is the difference between the series connection and the parallel connection. One more difference is there. Series connection used in the decorative bulbs. Decorative bulbs. Okay. And parallel connections are made in the house wire connections. House wire. We have electric connections. No? Wiring we made. No? Whenever houses are built, electric wiring is made. So how do they connect all the bulbs and electrical appliances in a parallel connection, not in the series connection? Now you may ask, how is this? How can you say, ma'am, that they are connected in the parallel? See, if one bulb fuses in the bedroom, will all the bulbs go off? Say, they won't go, no? If one bulb, whatever the bulb is fused up, that only do not give light. Bedroom failed. Kitchen and first room bulb is glow, no? All the other appliances work, no? Okay, bulb stopped working. Fan will work, no? AC, fan or others, TV, all first front room, guest room is there. Bulb put off, it fused. Only it will not glow. TV works, fan works, cooler is there, it also works, no? How come? Because of a parallel connection. Because of a parallel connection. Okay? So we can say that house wiring is done in the parallel connection. Understood? Okay. Now heating effects of electricity. So in the bulb, if heat enters into the bulb, it glows. It gives heat and light. Heat and light. Okay? In the heater, it gives heat, only heat. Electrical heaters are there, no? Water heaters are there, electrical heaters are there for cooking purpose. In both them, the current changes into heat energy. Okay? Understood? And to reduce the power, nowadays we are using, in 5-6 years back, all used to keep this tube lights. Now nobody are using tube lights. Tube lights also use less power. Okay? Tube lights also give less power. But nowadays all are using LED bulbs. No? By that we can get very, very less bill. Isn't it? So tomorrow I will explain about the fuse. Okay? Old fuse and nowadays latest fuse. And also how to how electricity bill is made. How can we calculate the electricity bill. Okay? So that's all for today. Have a good day.